Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss some numerical problem from chapter 9 from NCERT book. আজি আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম কেটামান numerical problem NCERT bookৰ পৰা chapter 9 হয় to part 2. This type of numerical problem is very much important for your competitive exam and for the final exam. So here is the question. An object is placed at 10 cm. Roman number 2 is given 5 cm in front of a concave mirror of radius of curvature 15 cm. Find the position, nature and magnification of the image in its case. Here two cases are given, isn't it? So one object is placed 10 cm in front of the concave mirror and another object is placed 5 cm in front of the concave mirror. So we have to find out one by one. ইয়াত দুটা কেস দিয়া আছে এটা দিছে অবজেক্টটো 10 সেন্টিমিটার দূৰত মিৰৰৰ পৰা এটো বহাইছে আৰু another object 5 সেন্টিমিটার মিৰৰৰ আগত মিৰৰ আৰু অবজেক্টৰ ডিসটেন্সটো কিমান আছে 5 সেন্টিমিটার সো দুটা কেসৰ আমি কি উলিয়াব লাগিব পজিশন ইয়াৰ পজিশন means object to court form হৈছে here position means where is the object is sorry not object image here position means image to court form hoise right position means where is the image is formed nature means whether the image is real or inverted virtual and erect magnification of the image that means what size of the image to kiman dangor horuna dangor hoy hetu ami uliabo lagibo so ki ulabo lagibo yar position image to court form hoise nature of the image mane hol image to ki hoy real na inverted na virtual na erect magnification of the image mane hol size of the image so image to kiman dangor right so suppose this is a what ray diagram this is a concave mirror. This is called principal axis. This is center of curvature, focus. This is O, that means origin. Yeah, we can say that pole, right? Pole. P. Now, in the question, it is given an object is placed at 10 cm in front of concave mirror. Now the object is placed in front of this concave mirror. Again, radius of curvature is given 15 cm. Look at this. Radius of curvature is 15 and object distance is 10. Now the distance of radius of curvature is more than the distance of object. We have already discussed in the previous video, introduction part, right? What is center of curvature, what is focal length, what is radius of curvature. So if you are new in my channel, I will keep the link in the description box. You can get from there, okay? So as we all know, radius of curvature means what? The distance between C and P. This is called center of curvature. Distance between C and P is called radius of curvature. It is denoted by R and it is given how much? 15 centimeter. Now the distance of radius of curvature is longer than the object. That means what? We have to place the object between center of curvature and focus. Here an object is placed between C and F. So the ray of this object is traveling this side, isn't it? And this is object suppose A and B. The name of this object is suppose A and B. And the distance of this object from this mirror is how much? 10 centimeter. This is what? Case 1. 10 centimeter. Understood? This is a radius of curvature ki asile distance between C aru P center of curvature aru mirror jontu distance hobo hetu ki boli kobo radius of curvature aru etu kiman dia ase 15 aru object to distance kiman dia ase from the mirror 10 cm dia ase আমি অবজেক্টটো ইয়াত কিয় কাৰণে প্লেস কৰিলো যেহেতু ইয়াত সেন্টাৰ অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ মানে ৰেডিয়াস অফ কাৰ্ভেচাৰ ডিসটেন্সটো বেছি হয় সেইকাৰণে এটো অবজেক্টৰ পৰা ডিসটেন্সটো দীঘল হ'ব আৰু অবজেক্টৰ ডিসটেন্সটো কিমান আছে ইয়াত 10 now we have to calculate the position of the image right where is the image form the object of this image is form that means in which side and the nature of the image right iti ami image to code form hobo etu uliabo lagibo so to find out this let's start the solution given object distance it is denoted by symbol u equal to how much 10 centimeter now the thing is that first we have to see the mirror it is a concave mirror for concave mirror we have to put here one negative sign in front of the distance right why it is negative sign because according to sign convention mirrors this side is considered as left hand side mirror this side is considered as what right hand side so all the distance is measured from the origin from here to this side so all the distance are measured from the origin that means we are left hand side since the object is placed in front of the concave mirror that means what this side is considered as negative and this side is considered as positive this is what shortcut method to remember the positive and negative sign so since the object is this side that means what we have to put here negative sign hetu ami agote discuss korilu je mirror left side thakile ki hobo etu ami minus lobo lagibo aro mirror behind the mirror thakile ki sign to ki lobo lagibo etu positive so since the object is in front of the mirror that means this side so we have to put here negative sign again the radius of curvature is given radius of curvature it is denoted by symbol r it is given 15 centimeter now what is the sign of this radius of curvature radius of curvature is also left hand side of the mirror that means what we have to put here negative now to find out the value of v that means what we have to find out the image distance image distance it is denoted by symbol v it is what question mark now since we know the mirror formula we know that 1 by b plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f I have given all the mirror formula sign convention okay tricks to remember sign convention in my previous video so if you are new in my channel I will give the link in the description box you can get from there also if you are still not subscribing my channel do subscribe my channel for more updates okay so let's start the solution we know that 1 by b plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f we have to find out the value of v isn't it v is what image distance now the condition is that not condition now the case is we know the value of u only isn't it u is how much minus 10 centimeter but we don't know the value of f so to find out the value of v we should know the value of u and f right ami v er value ulabo hole u aru f or value to ami gom pabo lagibo jehetu yat ami khali u or value to gom pao hetu kiman ase minus 10 centimeter f or value ami gom na pao so ami a relation or pora radius of curvature and focal length or relation to use kori ami etia focal length to uliabo lagibo right so we have to find out the value of f by using that relation between radius of curvature and focal length right since we know that focal length f equal to r by 2 focal length this is the relation between focal length and radius of curvature now what is focal length you have already know focal length is what the distance between f and p that means what distance of focus from the mirror so this distance is considered as what focal length f focal length f, right? So this equal to, this implied f equal to what is r? It is minus 15 centimeter by 2. Now we got the value of f. It is how much? Minus 15 centimeter by 2. Now put the value 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is u? It is minus 10 equal to 1 by f. What is f? It is minus 15 by 2. Now 1 by v equal to minus 2 by 15. This equal to minus 2 by 15. Now if we take plus minus, it is what? Minus, isn't it? If we take minus 1 by 10, this side it will become plus 1 by 10, right? Now you have to take the LCM. So LCM of 15, 10 is how much? 30. So 15 how much? 30. It is 15 2 is 30 again, 2 2 is 4 plus 10 3 is 30 again, 3 1 is 3. So this is minus 1 by 30. So 1 by v equal to how much we got? Minus 1 by 30. Now our target is to find out the value of v, so we have to cross multiply it, isn't it? Cross multiply. So v1 is v equal to 31 is 30, negative will be there. So v equal to how much we got now? Minus 30 centimeter. Minus 30 centimeter. Now where is the image form? I have given the condition, if image is in negative, that means what? The image is formed in front of the concave mirror. This side means what? Negative, isn't it? Negative means this side. যদি ইয়াত নেগেটিভ আহে তো ইমেজটো ক'ত ফৰ্ম হ'ব? মিৰৰৰ আগত ফৰ্ম হ'ব, ৰাইট? So the image is formed in front of the mirror and its distance is how much? 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. So here we can write now the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror, or we can write as the same side of the object. That means what? Object is also left hand side and image is also from left hand side, right? So this is the position of the image. Now we have to find out the magnification. Magnification means whether the image is large or diminished, that means small. Let's find here magnification. Magnification, it is denoted by symbol m. Since we know the formula of magnification, it is minus v by u. Now put the value. Minus v means how much? We got minus 30 centimeter. Again u is given minus 10 centimeter. Look at here, u is given minus 10 centimeter. Just we have calculated v how much? Minus 30. So this equal to minus minus get cancel, it will remain minus 0 0 get cancel 3. So m equal to minus 3. That means what? The image is large. Now how you will know the image is large? Condition is there. I have given the condition. If the value of m is greater than 1, then the image is what? Large. That means what? Enlarged. If m equal to 1, that means the size of the image and object are same. again, if m is less than 1, then the image is diminished, that means very small. Now look at here, don't look this negative sign, okay, don't look this negative sign. Here m means what? Greater than 1, isn't it? 3 is greater than 1. Don't look this negative sign, because why it is negative sign? Because the image is formed in front of the mirror. This side means negative, so don't look this negative sign. So m is greater than 1, isn't it? Here we got m equal to 3, so m is greater than 1 means now we can easily say that m is large. This one, understood? Condition is given m greater than 1, that means what? It is large and large, right? And large. So you remember this 3 condition. Also I have given this condition in my previous video. I will give the link in the description box, okay? This is the short trick to remember how we identify whether the image is diminished or large. So if m is greater than 1, here m is 3, that means it is greater than 1, so the image is what? Enlarged, right? Now this is the magnification. Now we have to find out the nature of the image. Nature of the image, right? Nature of the image. Now how we will know the nature of the image? So to find out the nature of the image, we have to look the sign of, not sign, the position of the image. By looking the position of image and magnification, we can easily say the nature of the image, or we can easily write the nature of the image. Since v is negative, that means what? Negative means the image is formed this side. Also here m is larger than, greater than 1, that means what? It is large, or we can say that magnified. We can write either large or magnified. So for this, also for this I have given the condition, okay? I will give the link in the description box, okay? So now the nature of the image is, if the image is formed this side, that means in front of the mirror, the nature of the image is always real and inverted. Keep it in mind, okay? If the image is formed this side, that means in front of the mirror, so the nature of the image is always real and inverted. Understood my point? Eto সদায় কি হ'ব যদি ইমেজটো মিৰৰৰ ইফালে ফৰ্ম হ'ব, ৰাইট? কি হ'ব? ইমেজটো অলৱেজ ৰিয়েল আৰু কি হ'ব? এইটো ইনভাৰ্টেড হয়. ইনভাৰ্টেড মিন্স this is object's head and this is tail. Inverted means what? It is tail to head, right? So we can write, here we can write nature of the image. So the image is, what we can write? Image is magnified or large. Image is magnified, real and inverted. Got it my point? Real and inverted, right? So this is the final solution. So we have calculated the, this is the position of the image, magnification, again nature of the image, right? By looking all this condition, we can find out the nature of the image, right? If b is in negative, that means you have to put here always real and inverted. Keep it in mind, okay? If b is in negative, you have to write the nature of the image is always real and inverted. And how do you check whether it is magnified or diminished? Means very small. Diminished means what? Very small. Magnified means what? Large. By looking the sign of magnification, not sign, by looking the value of magnification, you can easily say that the image is magnified or diminished. So if m greater than 1, the image is what? Magnified, that means large. If m is less than 1, that means what? This is what? Greater than 1. Don't look this negative sign. Less than means what? It is 0 point something, right? 0 point something. Then we can say that the image is diminished. And if m equal to 1, we can say that the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. So this is the final solution. And if we draw here the ray diagram for this, if we draw the position of the image, so this is the what incident ray. The ray coming from the object is traveling this side and it strike on the mirror. After striking on the mirror, it reflect this side, isn't it? So if you want to draw the ray diagram for this question, the ray diagram should be like this. So the object is placed between C and F. This is object. So the ray of this object is traveling this side and it strike on the mirror. After striking the mirror, it will reflect. Okay, this is the reflection ray. This is the reflection ray. This is the focus, and this is the what? Center of curvature. This ray is the what? Normal ray, right? This is the normal ray. And the normal ray and the reflection ray, where it intersect, the image is formed here. This is the formation. The image will form here, and this is what? Inverted. This is what? Head to tail, and inverted means what? Tail to head, right? So this is the ray diagram for this numerical problem. And here given the image distance is how much? We got 30 centimeter, and object distance from this one is how much? Object distance is here the object distance from object to mirror, it is 10 centimeter, and the radius of curvature how much? It is 15 centimeter, and the focal length here to here, it is, we got 15 by 2 centimeter. This is what? Pole, right? This is the ray diagram for this numerical problem. So this way we have to solve. Okay, and you should know all these conditions, otherwise you won't be able to write whether the image is magnified, real or inverted, or it is diminished, virtual and erect, right? So I will give the link in the description box. So the solution is starting from here to, look at here, after this write this one up to this. So this is the ray diagram, right? Next, this is condition 1. Next we'll write now condition 2. Now for condition 2, it is given here only the object distance is different, it is 5 centimeter, but rest of the distance, that means radius of curvature, is same. So given object distance u equal to 5 centimeter, radius of curvature r equal to, it is how much? 15 centimeter, means f equal to r by 2. Oh sorry, we have to put here negative, here also negative, because the mirror is what? Same, concave mirror. It is minus 15 by 2 centimeter, right? So we have to find out the image distance. So we have to find out image distance. It is b equal to how much? We have to calculate. Now since we know the mirror formula, it is 1 by b plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This implied 1 by b equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, this way. Also we can solve. Now put the value of f, it is how much? Minus 15 by 2, minus again the value of u is how much? Minus 5. Next we can write 2 by 15 minus plus 1 by 5. Now after taking the LCM, it is minus 2 plus 3. So this equal to how much? 1 by 15. After cross multiplying, we will get 15 centimeter. Now look at here. B is positive means the image is from behind the mirror. According to sign convention, this is a concave mirror. If this is a what? Left hand side of the mirror, right hand side of the mirror. Negative means this side, positive means this side. Now look at here. B is positive means the image is from behind the mirror. Like this way you have to find out. Okay. Now we can write the image is from at a distance of 15 centimeter behind the mirror. Okay, positive means it is behind the mirror. Now whether the image is large, diminished, virtual, or erect or inverted, how do we check? First we have to calculate the magnification, right? Now magnification m equal to minus b by u. Put the value of b, it is 15 centimeter 5, so it is minus get cancelled, it is 5 3s are 15. So m equal to how much we got? M equal to plus 3. Now here m is greater than 1. That means if m is greater than 1, the image is always what? Enlarged. That means what? Large, magnified. So now the nature of the image will be what? The image is magnified. Here m is greater than 1 means it is magnified, virtual and erect. How it is virtual and erect? Now look at here. If b is positive, right? If b is positive, then it is always virtual and erect. So virtual and erect, from where we have to find out? From the position of the image, right? So if the image distance is in positive, so we can easily write the image is virtual and erect. And if it is negative, then directly you can write real and inverted. You keep it mind, okay? This point. Negative means it is real and inverted. Positive means it is virtual and erect, and magnified or diminished. How we can check? We can check from the magnification. If m greater than 1, that means it is magnified. If m less than 1, that means what? Less than 1 means what? 0 point something, it is diminished. So here m is greater than 1 means what? M equal to 3, so it is what? Magnified. Positive, it is what? Virtual and erect. So this way you have to solve this type of numerical problem. Okay, so solution is from starting from here up to here. Okay, also you remember this trick, okay? This condition, this trick, I will give the link in the description box. Without knowing this condition, you won't be able to solve this type of numerical problem. So a condition to kom na pale eteka numerical problem to solve koribo nwaribo, right? Moi link to description di dim. Moi eto agor video upload korisu kenike monot rakhiba eto, right? So without knowing all this condition, you won't be able to solve this type of numerical problem, and this type of numerical problem is very much important from this chapter for your final exam. I hope all of you will understand it, right? So today that's all. Thank you. And also, if you are still not subscribing my channel, do subscribe for more update and for easy explanation. Okay, so today that's all. Thank you.